Hello, we are coming to you live today here at Magic Hair Company, where we are trying on this week's latest 10 wigs. So we just decided to do some more behind the scenes live and show you guys what we're doing here. We have 10 wigs. We're going to try to do 10 wigs in less than 10 minutes. We're taking pictures to update the website. My first wig that I am trying on today is a new wig. It is not on the website yet, so don't go to the website and look for this wig just yet. It'll be there very soon. This is wig number 548. This was originally wig number 159. So if you like this wig, it's wig number 548 or it's wig number 159. All right, this is wig number 548. Our next wig is wig number 514. It's a front lace 12-inch wavy. And color number 4, we do custom coloring here at Magic Hair Company. We are your custom glueless, full lace, and front lace wig supplier. This is wig number 514. This is wig number 514. Go to magichaircompany.com if you're interested in more information on any of the wigs that you see here today. Don't forget to catch our live wig show, guys, which is Friday, 3 p.m. live on Instagram and Facebook every Friday at 3 p.m. This is wig number 175. We cut this lace for you, whether you make your purchase in store got it? Whether you make your purchase in store or online, we will gladly cut the lace for you. Our next wig that we have here is wig number 219. Hi. Thank you. This is wig number 219. Wig number 219. Our next unit is unit number 476. All of these wigs are available at magichaircompany.com in our featured wig section. Our featured wig section has all of our wigs that are in stock and ready to ship out. A lot of our wigs we only have 1 or 2 of, so if you like it, don't wait. This is wig number 476. This is wig number 476. Subscribe to our newsletter if you haven't already, guys. That's where you will be the first to know about our our giveaways, our sales, and our discounts. This is wig number 528. It has a custom brown color to it. All of our wigs are glueless, whether they're full lace or front lace. This is wig number 528. We're open here in our Culver City store Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 5 p.m. Appointments are preferred. Text our appointment number 424-258-0657. Or you can just call the store during our current business hours and let us know you're on the way. Our current business hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. This is wig number 493. So if you're hesitant towards getting a wig because you're unfamiliar with how to put them on, how to style them, come on in, make an appointment, and shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. This is wig number 493. This one? Okay. I'll go grab the cards. This is wig 493. Wig number 493, we have 3 more wigs to go. Our next wig is a 26-inch jet black silky straight. This is unit number 519. Right there. You got it? And we have 2 more, just in case you guys couldn't see. This is silky straight jet black. That was wig number 519. Our next wig is wig number 157. This is wig number 157. last but not least, we have wig number 513. If you have any questions about any of our wigs, send us a text message to 424-258-0657 or give us a call here at 310-558-0181. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, for the best glueless, full-lace, and front-lace wigs. We're located here in Culver City, California. Subscribe to our newsletter and watch our Friday 3 p.m. live show. Do I need to come? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is wig number 513. Everything that you saw today is available at magichaircompany.com. See you soon. Bye.